Okay,
But
here we are. Here we are on the balcony at Grand Marais on the shore Lake Superior in a late July thunderstorm. We saw a double rainbow earlier. Lots of amazing lightning, chain lightning way out on the lake. Oh, that's it. See that? Did you see that? I did. But, you know, this is why the natural fireworks have drawn us drawn us to the edge of Gitche Gumi, which has been electrified tonight. Plugged in. And if you watch these faces, you'll see what happens. We're waiting for the next one.
I think that's gonna be over there.
Whoa! Holy snap! That was awesome.
Now it's
Whoa! Purple.
I think it's gonna come from there.
Does anyone feel like
Does anybody,
in the back of their neck?
does anybody smell
No, do you?
fried gull? I think I smell a fried seagull.
Yeah, you should probably go inside, Jack, if you're feeling that.
Well,
No, it's just, see, it's
If-
open, you scared.
if,
When's the lightning strike? When's the darn lightning?
insane bolt. It's maybe moving off to sea now, moving way out on the lake.
Oh! Whoa! Three. See, every time I say that, it comes. Yeah, this is so gonna be awesome. Let's say it's more. Come now. I understand.
Finn, what do you think? Good. Are you a little scared?
Yeah, but Mac, can lightning fry you up?
Whoa!
Can lightning fry you up if it's in your room?
Can burn you to a crisp, yeah.
In your room?
It can turn you into a pre.
How can it get in your room? How's it gonna get in your room?
Oh!
It can fly through a house.
Stop.
You're still filming this?
What? Yes.
Oh my god.
Get a look at this. Yeah, get a look. Just look at the sky any moment.
Yeah.
Look at the skies. Yeah, I said.
Oh!
I just did. Any moment. I was just like any moment lightning. I almost said I can sense it. I just said any moment lightning will strike. Now.
Well, it's been striking every moment for hours, so it doesn't necessarily make you a fortune teller.
It's gonna be
maybe.
over
Take
there.
a picture,
I
Dad.
think it's gonna be over there.
Please take a good film.
Whoa!
That shocked me 10 times. Do it. Come on, Dad.
Of what?
Whoa!
There was a lightning thing that just struck multiple times. It should be anywhere, Dad. Just put
There's
it
artist's points.
Yeah, it usually
Famous
strikes at
landmark.
Artist Point.
Beautiful hike here in Grand
When you
Marais.
point the camera at it, it just doesn't strike. It's
That may be it prevents it. This is a.
I can feel it
You
coming.
may have discovered this is
I
a
saw it
lightning
over there.
preventer.
Whoa!
There you go.
I think it's gonna be over there.
It's a lightning preventer.
Or maybe
The
there.
storm way out on
Like
the
if
lake.
you pointed it, I want one of those repeated ones again. That was so awesome.
Yeah, we had some.
Did you get that?
Yeah.
Did you get that, Dad?
Yes,
I just said I think it's
I
gonna
did, but it doesn't really matter much in the scheme of things.
Yeah, but those repeated ones are awesome. Yeah.
As I said,
It's
you
usually
guys.
the one straight down the middle. Just
Oh,
It
you
just
guys
keeps on
are-
flashing. It's not as good as the ones that strike.
you guys are more entertaining than the lightning.
I don't think so. Dad, film us. Then film us, Dad.
What?
You know, you should send this to Funniest Home Videos. It's probably hot. I'm still getting that tingling feeling.
Whoa!
in my neck.
Oh, yeah, I got it too. I know
Yeah.
what it's saying. Now I feel like I'm gonna fart. Oh, there. It's kind of tiny.
Yeah, go inside, Jack.
You're gonna get started. Oh.
Now go inside. You might get struck by lightning.
Whoa!
Oh,
It's the biggest one yet.
How do you jump up when it's happening?